You see, although it's clear in the Quran that those who are kafirs are deprived of the Almighty's mercy, somebody who has committed kufr is going to be punished. This is pretty much clear all throughout the Quran. The trouble is that there are many Muslims, let me say the majority of Muslims, who have this very strong belief that a kafir and a non Muslim are just the same. You know, these expressions can be used interchangeably. So, if somebody is not Muslim, then he's a kafir. And if somebody is a kafir, well, the Quran is very strong in his her condemnation. Now, here is a passage which very clearly mentions that this understanding is not true. Because from verse 113 to 115, the Almighty is talking about the people of the book who had not as yet become Muslims. They have been praised by the Almighty so lavishly that, one at times wonders if the same praise and privilege could have been provided to us. So the Almighty says in verse 113, Laisu Sawa, they are all not the same. That is, all people of the book are not alike. Min Ahlil Kitab, the word Ahlil Kitab has been used. They have not as yet converted to Islam. And mind you, these are the people who were there at the time of the Prophet. Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. The Prophet is there. They're not as yet Muslims. And the Almighty says, Min Ahlil Kitab, from amongst the people of the book, Ummatun Qaima. There is a group that is firm in its obedience, is following the undertaking that they had made. Yatluna ayatillahi anha layl. They recite the verses of God during the night time. Wahum yasjudun. And they prostrate. Yu'minuna billahi wal yawmil akhir. They truly believe in God and the last day. وَيَأْمُرُونَ بِالْمَعْرُوفِ وَيَنْهَوْنَ عَنِ الْمُنكَرِ. They encourage others to do good and they prevent others from doing evil. وَيُسَارِعُونَ فِي الْخَيْرَاتِ. And they hasten towards good deeds. وَأُولَٰئِكَ مِنَ الصَّالِحِينَ. They are the ones who are good. They are righteous people. وَمَا يَفْعَلُوا مِنْ خَيْرٍ. Whatever good they do, فَلَنْ يُكْفَرُوا. It's not going to be rejected. It's not going to be denied its benefits to them. وَاللَّهُ عَلِيمٌ بِالْمُتَّقِينَ. And God knows who the righteous are. Quite often it is mentioned by Muslims that whatever good the non-Muslims are going to do, it's going to go waste. The Almighty is saying very clearly, right the opposite. Whatever good they are going to do, it's not going to go waste. It's true that these people later became Muslims. Because the Quran says that when there is somebody out there who is really genuinely good, and the message of the Almighty is presented properly and impressively, the way prophets do, there is no way a good person can stay behind and not believe. But the important thing is that these verses are praising some people as good, as people whom the Almighty is describing as righteous people, and none of their good deeds is going to go waste. And yet they were not Muslims. So it's important that we know what the Almighty's message is telling us, and not say anything more or less than what the Quran is saying.